Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel. This video is about SU-57. SU-57 is Russian-made fifth generation aircraft. It is one of the most important jet fighters used by Russian Air Force. SU-57 is a single-seat twin-engine with high thrust. SU-30 is a multi-role stealth fighter jet. The top speed of SU-57 is more than 2000 km per hour. The range of SU-57 is up to 5500 km. The engine of SU-57 is a carbon turbofan jet. First introduction is in 25 December 2020. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for our more videos. Thank you.
Принял. Это наш корабль.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel. This video is about SU-57. SU-57 is Russian-made fifth generation aircraft. It is one of the most important jet fighters used by Russian Air Force. SU-57 is a single-seat twin-engine with high thrust. SU-30 is a multi-role stealth fighter jet. The top speed of SU-57 is more than 2000 km per hour. The range of SU-57 is up to 5500 km.